What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. In this video, you're going to learn about how to analyze a lease agreement with the Claude. I have provided the agreement. It's just a basic template. Let me show you guys what it is actually. So this is the template that I have made and I'm using for the lease agreement. So I'm just going to go ahead and pull this up in the Claude. And I have given the role, my role, prospective residential or the tenant over here. Before I dig into quick notes and financial obligations in plain English and breaking the lease early, maintenance responsibilities, what the landlord is responsible for. The template did not explicitly state a single landlord repair duty. The clause that you will notify the landlord of any repair needed implies the landlord will handle those repairs, but there is no stated obligations to actually make them. No timeline for digging so, and no habitability commitment. So red flags, these are all the red flags inside of it, questions to ask before you sign. And this is how it goes if you guys want to go and commit with the Claude. So that's how it goes in this whole like, subscribe, and share. Take care. Bye.